You are welcome to the fifth lesson of Install Exterior Cladding. My name is Habineza Michel.
And I am Habimani Gabriel Devot. We are trainers at Benja Activate School.
In the previous lesson, we fixed noggins and studs.
Let's now proceed with assembly of sidings.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Seti Munyehirwe, the carpentry trainer at Benja Activate School. Today we are going to have the last lesson in Install Exterior Cladding. This lesson is going to be about how to fix the exterior siding. The objective of this lesson is that in the end you will be able to fix the exterior siding in a proper way. Besides this, as we cannot leave the site dirty, you will be able also to clean the site so that you leave it as it was before you visit the site. Before we start then, I just want to encourage you to follow well and take notes where it is necessary so that in the end everything will be clear on your side. To fix the siding, we will proceed in this way. So first of all, we will fix the flashing materials, just this piece of wood that I'm having. So you can see it's just a piece of the rivet, and then we'll fix it under the dress just in this way. Besides this, when we are done with fixing the flashing material, later we will have to fix the sidings. But to fix the sidings, first we will have to mark, and then we can fix them. So as you remember, we will use the butt joint. So there we will need to use some tools like marking tools. That's why I have the folding ruler and pencil. So we can just use them for marking, but also especially the folding ruler for measuring. We need also the power drillers. So here I have two with me because I can do the pre-drill with one and then I can fix the screws with another one. So as I mentioned before, that we need power drillers, of course then we need the screws to fix the pieces. Now let's start with marking. So I will use this piece, so you can call it the story rod. Actually it's let's say equal to the maximum height that you have on the cladding. What I'm going to do now, because I know that the width of the sidings it's 100 millimeters, I have to subtract the overlap. The overlap will be 20, then I have 80. And then I will take 80, I mark it on the piece, so that once I'm there, I can mark easily where the siding will be fixed without using the folding ruler from time to time, which will take a long time. as we have the ventilation in the house, so we drilled the piece in the position where we have those ventilations, and then there we put the mosquito net. Even if trimming of the sidings will be done later, it is good when you try to adjust them to one another. This will easier the trimming work. It's fine like this. This one first. As you can see, the screws will be fixed on the side, which will be overlapped to avoid that they can be visible on the finished cladding. When the vapor barrier is already fixed, what we do normally is to fix the studs. So this time they're in horizontal position because the exterior siding or the pieces that I will fix outside, they will be vertical. So that's why I have to change their direction, or let's say their position. So what we will do then, as they are already fixed, we will have to fix now the exterior siding just in the vertical position, and marking them, it's done like you do it when they are horizontal. If you have the sidings in vertical position, the studs will be horizontal. While fixing the sidings, we start with the inner sidings, and then later we fix the outer ones. It is possible that you can have the cladding with tongue and groove the sidings. Here you will need to fix the sidings with the screws inside the groove or nails depending on the place where the cladding is being fixed.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.